Hello friends, hope you are well. We're doing an unboxing, a really quick one, so let's get into it. Let's see what's inside the Google Home Max. This is interesting. This is half price right now at like Harvey Norman, JB Hi-Fi and all these other places, and they're all doing deliveries. So, you know, in these times of social distancing, I think a bit of music inside the house, a bit of smart control inside the house is going to be good. I'm really keen to review this. I've been excited about it when it came out, but I always thought it was particularly expensive at $400. But now, half price at $200, that seems particularly good. So we're going to rip this on the side here, and another one over here. And before we lift it, because it's actually particularly heavy, let's have a look at the sides here, what it says. So room equalizer, media equalizer, audio software updates are auto. So of course, because it's a digital device, you can't plug anything into it. We've got touch controls on the top, two 18mm tweeters, dual 114mm high excursion woofers. Sounds like something for dog, and dual orientation bass. That's interesting. You can have it vertically. And I think that's what I will do when I put it to the side here. And on here, supersonic. I'm not really going to read through this, but what do we have on this side? Let's have a look at the logos. You've got YouTube Music, Spotify, Nest, TuneIn, Philips, Hue, TP-Link, Netflix, Stan, YouTube, Google, Chromecast, all the cool standard stuff. It has no screen, so when we did the review of the Google Home Hub, that was cool. I think that the actual ability to have a screen is really cool, but the sound isn't as good. So this is the opposite. No screen, all sound. So let's lift that up. Oh, I mean, this is even heavy, but it's got a lot of protection there. So let's have a look at, holy crap. Yeah, that's pretty large. That's pretty large. I got the chrome or charcoal color. Oh crap, that's heavy. Wow, okay. Wow. That's a really nice plastic, and this material, you know, sometimes you touch material like this and it kind of gets stuck on your hand, or if you have rough hands, you can feel the material getting stuck. I have rough hands. I've been digging all weekend and week actually, and you know what? This feels lovely. It's pretty soft. You can sort of press onto it, so you know you don't want to hit it with anything sharp or anything hard. So I guess that's what the protection is for the box. Before we go into the overview around this, let's see what's in the box. So we've got a plug. So we've got an Australian plug because yep, bought in Australia. So we've got some papers that just fell out. Let's get started. We all know how to install Google stuff, so through the app. The plug itself, let's have a look how long it is. Yeah, that's decent. A meter and a half, 2 meters maybe. I think that'll do with most homes. You'd probably want this to be in the center of an entertainment room or something along the lines of maybe near the kitchen. But I don't think you'd put this near any water. You don't want to stain this. This looks lovely, but it also seems like it might get dusty. And yeah, so we'll plug that in a second or two, but let's have a look at it around here. So on the front, we've got this, and if we bring it back here, we have the controls. So obviously we can touch it, but this is actually a sticker. And it has this interesting little tab here that I bet you it lights up when you plug it in. And we've got the microphone here too. And let's have a look at the back. We've got a switch for privacy mode for the microphone. That's good. We've got the power plug. We've got a reset button. We've got a USB-C. No, it's a proprietary USB type plug here to help with probably you know, maintenance and stuff. Probably not something we can do. I've never seen a plug like this. It looks like a micro USB that looks like a USB-C. It's really weird. And then we've got this button here, maybe another reset plug. We'll see what it is. And then this rubber grommet, and this is supposed to be the base, so you're supposed to put it on there, and because it's rubber and magnetic, it's not supposed to bounce around or vibrate the table or the, I don't know, cabinet it's on. So that's really good. Attach base here for vertical orientation, so let's do that. I think I like vertical. So whoa, okay, that is particularly heavy. So we put that down like this, and as I slowly put it on, you can see it pops up and sort of, it's like that. You can get it, but it doesn't stay. I don't know why it's white. It would have been nice to be black, to be honest. I think that would be more appropriate for a charcoal version. Hey, that looks really cool. That actually looks like a really cool speaker. And that's really it. That's all that comes in the box. I can see why. I mean, there's nothing else you really need. But let's, you know what? Let's plug it in. Is there a button to turn it on? Nope, the light's on. It should slowly turn on. Look friends, I think the main thing about this is going to be the music. So I'm going to give you a really, good review. Hopefully it's good. I'm hoping it's good, but at half price, $200 for a speaker like this. This is a very large speaker. Here's the colors there. I wonder if I turn it this way, will it change orientation? Or is it still going to go up? No, still keeping on that. All right, never mind. Pretty cool. So we'll look at the review, we'll look at the sound, we'll look at the controls that we can do.
To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
All right, we'll do that soon. In any case, because it is a speaker at $200, this size, this powerful, that's pretty darn cheap. At $400, I think that's pushing it. This is directly going to be competing with something like the Apple version, the HomePod, but I think the HomePod is, well, I know the HomePod is much smaller, and I think much less powerful tweeters and actual speakers in there. Tweeters is a big thing. It really does help with the high-end, sounds, so I'm really keen to see how this goes. So, friends, thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing. If you enjoy this channel, please give it a like. No, give it a subscribe. And if you like this video, then give that one a like. And I hope everybody's staying safe here in Australia, quarantine or not. Enjoy your weekend. I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.